If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you
Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori, and I hope you guys are having a great and awesome day, because I am. Guys, I am doing a collaboration, and it's a tag collaboration with my girl LaLabad. Y'all, first of all, she is funny as heck. Do you hear me? She will have you dying laughing. She does makeup reviews. She does like these impersonations where you kind of gotta guess who she's impersonating, does little giveaways with them. She does like crafts. She just does a whole lot on her channel, and she's very consistent. I think she uploads like 5 days a week, y'all. But she is so funny. I love her. She is awesome. And we decided to do a collaboration on this tag called Restock My Travel Bag. And what this tag is about is you're traveling and the airport done lost your makeup bag, y'all. So you on vacation with nothing. And someone gives you $200 to go to Sephora to restock your makeup bag. So we had to go on the Sephora website and figure out what it is that we would restock our bag with. And we're going to show you what we would buy with $200. Yes, y'all, $200. And we got skincare. I'm doing skincare. I'm doing tools, makeup, the whole works with this $200. And I'm going to show you how I made that $200 work for your girl. So I'm going to show you what I got, and go watch and check it out. All right, the first thing I'm going to get is skincare. And so they had this Origin Skin Starter, guys, and it was only $20. And you got a toner, you got a microabrasion kit like thing, and a moisturizer. So I figured that would be great for me. And then, of course, you know I need some tools. So they had this little 5-piece, and it's like a powder brush, a concealer brush, and some eyeshadow brushes for $19.50. And then a sponge, y'all. It was only $5, so you know I need the sponge for my foundation, so I had to get that. Then this right here was awesome. It was the Smashbox starter kit. So I got my eyeshadow primer, my face primer, I got mascara, I got an eyeliner and lipstick for $24. So you know you can't beat that. And then for my brows, I just went with Sephora's little brow, similar to their brow wiz, for $12, so you know. And then this Urban Decay, y'all, was only $24, and it's the eyeshadow plus a mini troublemaker mascara, so I was excited about that. And then for foundations, I've just got a stick foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills for $25, and I think it'll be cool. And I had to get my NARS concealer, and it was only $13. So I was like, yes, winning all day. Now this next thing is this translucent powder by Sephora. I'm not sure about it because it looks kind of white, so I hope it's gonna work. But for $16, I was willing to try it out, and if it didn't like it, I didn't have to keep it, you know. And then y'all know how I feel about the Sephora contour blush kit. I can use that for highlighter, blush, contour, everything. So that was only $28, and I got like multiple functions out of this particular product. Go get you that. And then they had this lipstick kit that was on sale for $7, and it came with like lipsticks, 4 lipsticks and 4 lip glosses. So I was winning on that. And then I just got a simple brown, a dark brown lip liner from Sephora for $6. And then I'm gonna set it all off with Urban Decay setting spray for $15. So y'all, look, I did it with money to spare. All right, y'all saw what I did, right? Y'all saw how I hooked that up. Y'all saw how I got all my stuff so I can beat my face while I'm on vacation. All right, you saw what I did. Now I need for you to go and run over to LaLabad's channel and check out what she did. I will leave her link in the description bar so you can go ahead and watch her video, guys. Go show her some love. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was really fun for me to do. I'm liking these tag things, so this was fun for me to do. Now, I tag any YouTuber that wants to do it. If you want to do it, I'm tagging you. I'll go ahead and see what you can come up with $200. All right, so all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the grown women's table. Until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
Some advice you're looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.